Hey, I'm Drew Scott. Defining a space is so important when you're trying to list your house, and today I'm going to be showing you why. This is setting the stage. Jill from Cincinnati sent me this photo of her bonus space. She uses this as an office and a play space for the kids, but when you're listing your house, it just looks like a mixed mess of toys and paperwork, and that's not helping you sell the place. Jill, I'm gonna walk you through a house to show you why it's so important to define each space, and I'm gonna do a virtual makeover on your bonus area at the end of this. I am already loving this house because there are 5 kids in this home. It's a busy household, but you can see there is no clutter. If this family can keep this place clean for showings, anybody can do it. You have a house that is staged with their own furniture pieces. It's clean, it's organized, and it still has some style. This kitchen is brand new. They did spend the money where it counts here. I love the fact that you have the darker tone cabinets. It feels a little more updated. Now that fireplace is a little bit cheaper. This is an electric unit. Typically, I only like electric fireplaces when they're actually recessed into the wall. This unit is just placed in front. However, I like the fact that they didn't just place it in front of the baseboard and plug it in. They've actually cut it into the baseboards and it's right up against the wall. Well done. I think this is an example of what you need to do to stage a house without spending a lot of money to make sure you're getting the most bang for your buck. So this house was built in the 80s, but it has a lot of space. 5 bedrooms on this level. Every room is so spotless. Soft colors on the walls, nothing's too in your face, but you still have a bit of the personality of the kids in each of those rooms. And then you have this nice, big, spacious master bedroom. You have a walk-in closet. The furniture pieces are not new. These are all older pieces, but it still looks great in the space. Nothing is too overcrowded. It also doesn't feel too sparse. The master bathroom is where they've spent a little bit of money. In prepping this house to sell, you can see they really spent their money in the kitchen and the bathrooms. This bathroom looks great. You have a glass shower, you have a dual sink vanity, you have this great soaker tub. Overall, I quite like this house, even though they haven't spent a lot of money in this place to sell it. But there is still one big bonus down in the basement. This is a great bonus space down here, lots of square footage. There's a spare bedroom with another bathroom, almost as big as the master. You have the bar, which would have been original, and they've tidied it up a little bit, great for entertaining, plus this big theater room. Now, as a tall guy, I'm not a big fan of the short ceilings, but it would have cost a lot of money to dig this down. They didn't have a big budget to fix this place up before selling, so they spent money in the kitchens and bathrooms, and then they focused on staging the space and making the whole house just feel comfortable. I think they did a great job. Now, it's important to test the merchandise for buyers, so I'm gonna watch a movie. The main area looks pretty bleak, but with a little bit of imagination, you can transform that into a great space for any family. Defining these 2 areas as a seating room and then a dining area is exactly what this space needs. Jill, here's a virtual makeover of what you could do with your play space. Have it nice and bright and fresh and a little fun on the walls. Decals are always a great thing for kids. Storage is key, and something fun like a tent for the kids to play in is also great too. Now, it doesn't have to be a childish design. You can have elegant features like the light fixture or even the color you use on the walls.